that, kid. I've been trying to learn how to rap. You know, I don't want to paint cars, I want to rap cars, you know? And I've been texting this dude. He's out of East Atlanta, and I've been texting and calling. I can't get in contact with him, you know? And I want to go to his rap school. You know, I was trying to... What the...
You wanted to take my class?
Yes, I've been trying to reach you.
Glenn?
Yes. Well, how are you in my car? Like, okay.
Don't worry. When you're a sensei, young grasshopper, you will know.
Yes, sensei. When should I come to your shop?
2 hours.
2 hours, I will be there. That was weird, kid. Guess I better go to a shop. In 2 hours. Alright. That's a nice shop, bro. Oh, dude, you have got to stop doing that. Oh, sorry. Teach me the way, sensei, of all-in rounds.
You are one tall grasshopper.
Yes, I am.
Come,
Alright.
let's learn.
Alright.
Rule 1. When you will wield the power, you will have the power to grab Excalibur.
Excalibur?
Yes. Then you're ready.